Hello students, myself is Jyoti Kiran, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. Today I am going to discuss on the concept radius of curvature for different forms of curves. Today in this concept I am going to talk on parametric equations and pedal equations. Okay, radius of curvature for curves giving in parametric form. Here we are going to take two equations. X is equal to f of t. Let us take x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t be the parametric equation of the given curve. We denote dx by dt. Here x is a function of t and y is a function of t. We denote dx by dt as x prime and dy by dt as y prime. Y dash or we call it as y prime. Then we our requirement is dy by dx. For this we have to write dy by dt with respect to the variable t and dx by dt, which is equal to y dash by x dash. Then dy by dx is the first order differentiation. Y1 is equal to y prime by x prime. Call it as equation 1. So again differentiate these equation with respect to x by using the quotient rule. So then we move on to second order differentiation. Dy by dx. Dy by dx becomes d square y by dx square, which is equal to, so quotient, we already know about the quotient rule. First derivative x dash y double dash, that is denominator o square, numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ denominator derivative of numerator minus y dash x double dash into dt by dx. This is about quotient rule with respect to the variable t. Okay, then we write it as d square y by dx square as y2 is equal to x dash y double dash minus y dash x double dash by x dash o square, quotient denominator o square into dt by dx. Already we find out dx by dt is x prime. Here dt by dx is there, it is 1 by x dash. Okay, then y2 becomes x dash y double dash minus y dash x double dash divided by, here x dash o square is there into one term of x dash, then it will becomes x dash whole cube. This represents equation 2. Substituting for y1 and y2 in this equation, this is rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square to the power of 3 by 2 by y2. We get, substitute y1 and y2 to this equation, then we get r is rho, radius of curvature rho is equal to 1 plus y1. What is y1? Y prime by x prime o square to the power of 3 by 2 divided by y2, that is equation to second order differentiation, which is equal to, here take it as the LCM in numerator. X dash o square is the LCM, x dash o square plus y dash o square is divided by x dash o square to the power of 3 by 2 into, so denominator becomes x dash whole cube divided by x dash y double dash minus y dash x double dash. On simplifying this, here x dash o square x dash whole cube get cancelled, then the numerator remains x dash square plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2 divided by x dash y double dash minus y dash x double dash. Then the radius of curvature at any point t on the curve x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t is given by, this is rho is equal to x dash square plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2 is all divided by x dash y double dash minus y dash x double dash. This is about the radius of curvature in parametric form. Next we move on to the radius of curvature for pedal equations. Okay, from the figure we can write it as psi is equal to theta plus phi. If Psi here in the figure, psi represents the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior angle, that is theta plus phi. Then this is depends on the arc length S. Okay, so differentiate with respect to S. D psi by ds is equal to d theta by ds plus d psi by ds. Again this implies d psi by ds is equal to d theta by ds. Already we know that 1 by r into r d theta by ds plus d psi with respect to the radius vector dr into dr by ds. Okay, then d psi by ds is 1 by rho, which is equal to 1 by r. Here r d theta by ds, already we derived this relation, it is sin psi plus d psi by dr into, here also dr by ds, we know this result also, it is cos psi. Okay, next equation, 1 by rho is equal to 1 by r, 1 by, take it as 1 by r as a common term, 1 by r sin psi, sin psi plus, here 1 by r is common is there, for that reason here we get r cos psi d psi by dr, which is equal to 1 by r, then d by dr of r sin psi. So it is overall differentiation. Okay na? So difference, first order differentiation by applying the product rule, d by dr of r sin psi. Then 1 by rho is equal to 1 by r dp by dr, sorry, dp by dp of d rho. So here p is equal to r sin phi. Then rho is equal to, then it will becomes 1 by r becomes rho dr by dp. Thus the radius of curvature at any point p of r comma theta on the curve r is equal to f of theta is given by rho is equal to r dr by dp. Thank you.